Hello everyone, I'm Kevin Chapuis from Virtual Open System, and I will showcase the VOSYSmonitor running on a RCAR H3 board, a platform based on ARMv8 architecture with a quad-Cortex A57 and a quad-core Cortex with Cortex A53. So VOSYSmonitor enables the co-execution on the same platform of a safe critical real-time operating system, along with a general purpose operating system with virtualization features such as Linux KVM. On this demo, we will have 4 different scenarios which are concurrently executing on the RCAR H3. First, Linux is using OpenGL library to execute hardware, to use hardware acceleration in order so we have a HDMI connected to the RCAR H3 and connected to the screen, and we run a GLMark application which use OpenGL library and for the hardware acceleration purpose. Another scenario is related to the infotainment and the rear view camera. So the RCAR H3 is streaming a video to play, so we can play with any application. So in our use case we use VLC. So when we don't enable the driving backward, the video is streaming. But when we will press the joystick button connected to the interface card that we can see here, we will generate an event that the Secure OS catches. So the Secure OS controls the servo motors in order to signal the event, and it sent an order to Linux in order to start the webcam display and replace the video streaming. So on our application on VLC, we now have the webcam streaming on our application. If we press again the button to disable the driving backward, the servo motor turns again to the right, and now we can enjoy our video for your children. The next use case is based on the HVAC control. So we run a virtual machine which is executing a web server, and with this web server we can connect from any client on a computer, on your mobile phone, through a web browser. You can connect to the HVAC panel. So on our use case, we will use the fan speed in order to send an event to the RTOS which controls the fan rotation. So if we set to the max the fan control, RTOS will get the event and we speed up the fan speed. If we speed down the fan from the HVAC panel, the fan speed is slow. The last scenario is about the Secure OS failure. VOSYSmonitor is able to recover Secure OS failure since it monitors during the Secure OS execution, it monitors the Secure OS. So we will simulate a Secure OS crash just by pushing one of these push buttons, which will be catched by RTOS, and RTOS will crash, will internationally crash. So on the computer screen you have 2 displays. The first display is about the UART trace from the VOSYSmonitor side, and the second screen at the bottom, it's a UART display related to the Secure OS. So I press the push button now, RTOS will crash in few seconds, and on the top we can see that VOSYSmonitor catch the event and restart the RTOS. And on the RTOS we can see RTOS initialization step. You can see in live this demo at the next Automotive Linux Summit event at Tokyo, the 13 and 14 July, at the Virtual Open System booth. Thanks.